Hello everybody, and welcome back. This time we've got an unboxing video for y'all. This is a Smittybilt Mod front bumper. It's their modular bumper. You buy the main piece and then you buy either a stinger or a bull bar. And this is the bull bar, and we're going to unbox it and show you what all comes with. We're going to open the box up and see what's in it. And this is the main bumper. Let's see what's in it. Pull this out and see what all we got here. Hardware pack. The bumper is pretty tightly packed. We'll get it out and show it to you in a minute. First we're going to unpack the bull bar. Right, here's the bull bar. Cut it open. See what we got in here. Appropriate hardware. This is the bull bar. Alright, we're going to start undoing the packaging. We're going to start with the bumper first, then we'll move to the bull bar. Some interesting stuff here. I've never seen kind of like a foam vinyl material. Got it unpacked. I don't see any scratches or dents on any of the powder coat. It looks good. Let's open the hardware box here and see what we get. Stainless steel end caps. But maybe the top caps, I'm not sure. Some more of them. I think these are the end caps. Yeah, these are the end caps. Hardware and instructions. Alright, let's move over here to the bull bar and we'll see what we got. Got the bumper open. We're going to pull the wrapping off the bull bar and see what we get. Pretty good. Don't see no big dents, nothing. Just mounts on it right here. So got two tabs for light mount, so it's pretty good. So open the hardware and see what we get. All we got to do is put it together. We'll be doing that in the next day or two.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.